In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to Supabase, step by step, updated 2026. By the end, you'll have your Lovable project linked to Supabase, so you can move faster with data and backend features. First, make sure you're already signed in to your Supabase account in another tab. Staying logged in helps the connection complete without prompts or timeouts. Then, in Lovable, open the project you want to integrate. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to double check you're in the correct one so the connector lands exactly where you expect. Inside your chosen Lovable project, head to Settings. This is where all project level configurations live, including integrations and security options. If you don't see settings right away, look for the gear icon or the project sidebar. The location can vary slightly with interface updates, but it's always within the project view. Within Settings, open the Connectors section. This page aggregates all available integrations for your project. It's the central place to manage services like databases, analytics, and storage that plug into Lovable. If Supabase isn't visible at first glance, click View All. This expands the full catalog so you're not limited to a short list of featured items. Sometimes new connectors or ones you haven't used before are tucked away in the expanded list, so this ensures you don't miss Supabase. Find Supabase in the list and select it. You'll land on the Supabase connector panel with a clear option to connect. Go ahead and click Connect. If you were already signed into Supabase earlier, Lovable will use that session to streamline the handshake. If a browser prompt appears, just confirm access so the two services can talk to each other securely. Next, click Connect Supabase. This is the final confirmation that establishes the link between your Lovable project and your Supabase account. Give it a moment, you should see a success state indicating the connection is active. In most cases, the connector tile will show a connected label or similar confirmation so you know it worked. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have the right permissions in both tools, especially if you work across multiple teams or organizations. If you run into disabled buttons, refresh your Lovable project after signing into Supabase and verify you're on the correct project in Lovable before trying again. Also, avoid sharing any secret keys or credentials in public places. The connector handles authentication for you. That's it. Your Lovable project is now connected to Supabase. Congratulations.